Hi, I'm Bonita from Bonita's Kitchen. Please tune in each Sunday when we post a new video to our YouTube channel and our website. And you can find my website on www.bonitaskitchen.com. But remember, you don't have to wait till Sunday to look at my videos. You could look any day of the week. All you got to do is click on either one of those sites and search for the recipe you're looking for. We have over 180 videos posted to YouTube and my website, and you can go and see them at any time. And again, that's www.bonitaskitchen.com and my YouTube channel. And before I go, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for supporting our channel, clicking, sharing, and liking each video. So don't forget that Sundays we post a new video, but any time of the week you can go in and visit us on our channel. So from our kitchen to yours, have a nice day.